Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special treat for you, Mango Delight. So let's dive into this refreshing and delightful recipe. First, we'll start by making the custard. In a mixing bowl, take vanilla flavored custard powder. You can use mango flavor if you like. Pour in milk and make a smooth mixture. Now, in a pan, heat 500 ml milk until it starts to boil. Add sugar and stir until it dissolves. Then, slowly pour in the custard mixture, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Cook until it thickens. Once thickened, transfer the custard to a bowl. Cover it and let it cool down. While it cools down, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our delicious recipes. Next, let's prepare the jelly. Take mango flavored jelly powder, add hot water, mix well, and pour into a flat dish. Let it set and then cut into small cubes. For mango puree, now take 3 mangoes, peel them, cut 2 into small cubes, and puree the third one. If your mangoes aren't sweet enough, add some condensed milk or sugar to the puree. For the final step, take sweetened whipping cream and beat until soft peaks forms. If your whipping cream is not sweetened, you can add some condensed milk, then add the mango puree. Reserve some for later. Add some custard, gently fold everything together. Now it's time to assemble our Mango Delight. Take a serving bowl and layer it with the cake slices. Pour some milk over the slices to moisten them. Add a layer of mango whipped cream followed by mango jelly cubes and mango chunks. Repeat the cake slice layer and final layer of mango whipped cream. Decorate with the reserved mango puree by making diagonal lines and shaping them with the help of a skewer or toothpick. Place some mango chunks in the center. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to melt together. This dessert is best served chilled. And there you have it, delicious Mango Delight. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.